Hi, my name is Stacey Larsen, and I wrote the book Reframing the Leadership Dance. I want to tell you about Robbie Samuels, who helped me with his launch strategies for my book. Basically, Robbie is amazing as a host of anything on Zoom and also knows books inside and out as far as launching and preparing for the launch. Robbie has everything under control and always have brought me along in the process, step by step by step, and held my hand. I had confidence from working with Robbie. I had example emails to send people from working with Robbie. I had systems and processes from working with Robbie. And I had a host who was the most on my book launch party. I have gotten #1 bestseller statuses. I have people who are already looking to buy my services. I have amazing heartfelt reviews that came in and keep flooding in because of the processes that he helped me put together. And whenever I got stuck, I knew I could reach out to him. Robbie's the best. Robbie is the absolute person that you need to launch your book with if you are considering launching a book.